There is a deep commitment in France to provide the state-of-the-art, the most efficient technologies available to India.
एयर इंडिया और एयरबस का समझौता भारत फ्रांस स्ट्रैटेजिक पार्टनरशिप के लिए भी एक महत्वपूर्ण उपलब्धि है।
It's one of the biggest aviation deals in history. The Tata Group has announced a massive order for 250 aircraft from Airbus. It includes 140 A320, 70 A321neo, 40 AN350. The mega deal was announced in a video conference with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, French President Emmanuel Macron and Ratan Tata.
2.5 बिलियन यूरो के निवेश से बन रहे इस प्रोजेक्ट में भी टाटा और एयरबस की साझेदारी है। मुझे ये जानकर भी खुशी है कि फ्रेंच कंपनी साफरान विमानों के इंजन की सर्विस के लिए भारत में सबसे बड़ी एमआरओ फैसिलिटी स्थापित कर रही है।
Is that Airbus is contributing to the outstanding development of India, and the new 250 aircrafts, which will be delivered to Air India, will be one more step in this direction. There is a deep commitment in France to provide the state-of-the-art, the most efficient technologies available to India, and to be part of your Made in India strategy.
Airbus says A350s fly efficiently on any sector, from short-haul to ultra-long-haul routes up to 17,000 kilometers, carrying 300 to 410 passengers in typical three-class configurations, and up to 480 passengers in a single-class layout.
And the C295 program demonstrates Airbus' commitment to supporting, dear Prime Minister, your vision of an Atmanirbhar Bharat. With the Tata Group,
250 aircrafts, 40 of them on the wide body A350, which we will use to fly all ultra long distance across the globe.
The deal with Airbus, expected to be over $100 billion, is part of a huge order by Air India for 470 planes, which is also likely to include an order for 220 planes from Boeing. This could be the single largest order by any airline as Air India prepares to revamp itself under the Tata Group with a fuel-efficient fleet. Tata Group's takeover of Air India last year is one of the most high-profile privatization deals of the centre under Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Tata Group tabled a winning bid of Rs 18,000 crore as the enterprise value of the airline against a reserve price of Rs 12,906 crore. Bureau Report, India Today Television.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.